Hey student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths and our chapter is running on is square and square root. Okay, in this chapter we have learned how to square any number and what is the main properties of square number and how to get a square number. Okay, so I think you remember how do we get any square number. Okay, and in this chapter we learn triangular numbers, Pythagorean triplets and so on. Okay, and our previous video we learn about square root. Okay, and we learn how to find the square root by repeated subtraction method and by prime factorization. Okay, so whenever we talk about prime factorization, we have solved the questions first to fourth in exercise. Just a minute. First to fourth question. I hope you have solved all the questions in exercise 6.3 first to fourth question. Okay, now what about question number 5th? See, read the question carefully. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Okay. So आपको बताना है इस क्वेश्चन में फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर बाय विच इट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड. मीन्स आप ऐसे कौन से नंबर से इस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सो द नंबर बिकम perfect square number. Okay, so let's do what is the method. Okay, so student, our number is 252. If we talk about first number, that is 252, when we prime factorize this number, see the ones place is 2, the ones place is 2, so it will be divided by 2. Okay, so first we have to divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 6 are 12. Okay, now again it will be divided by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Now it will be divided by 2. No, it will be divided by 3. So 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, again 3. See what number you have find. See here, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. See here, 2 is in pair and 3 is in pair. Only 7 is the number which are not having pair. Okay, so what you can do in this question? So if you have multiply by 7, अगर आपको 7 का पेयर अगर बना दोगे तो ये नंबर क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? स्क्वायर नंबर हो जाएगा. ओके, सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 in 252, then 252 become square number. Okay, so what is your answer? 252 into 7, that means 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. so आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 2 भी पेयर में आ गया, 3 is also in pair and 7 is also in pair. So your answer is 7 would be multiplied in 252. So if we have multiplied by 7, then our answer is perfect square number. Okay, so it's your answer for 5th question. Now let's taking 2028. Let's we solve 2028. Okay, so let's see if we prime factorize 2028, then what we get. Okay, so let's prime factorize. See here, ones place is 8, means even number, so we have divided by 2. So our answer is 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Again it will divided by 2. 507 is our answer. Now it will be divided by 3 because 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 six are 18 and 3 nines are 27. Okay, now it will be divided by 13. Okay, 13 ones are 13 and 13 threes are 39. So which number you get single? Here you get 2 in pair, 13 in pair, so you should multiply by 3. If you multiply by 3, then you get a perfect square number. Okay student, understand? So whenever you write the answer, you have to write thus the smallest whole number is 3. हमने जब 2028 का किया तो हम लिखेंगे 2028 में हमें किसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा? अगर हम 1 more 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो 2028 क्या हो जाएगा? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर इज बिकम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. सो यू कैन राइट द रिक्वायर्ड स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर इज 3 in this case. Okay, and in the case of 252, what will be requirement? In the case of 252 we have to require 7. So you have to write, if we multiply by 7 means the required number is 7. If we multiply by 7, then it become a perfect square number. Okay, understand? So this way you have to write answer. Okay, understand? And solve full question and prime factorization in your notebook. Okay, understand? So this way you have solved question number 5. Okay, whatever the question, first of all you have to solve prime factorization, and then which number is not having a pair, that number you have to multiply in the main number, so you get a perfect square number. Okay, understand? Let's take one more example. Let's take 14658. If we talk about 1458, then we have to divide 2 7 2 9. Then again it's divided by 3, so you can get 243. If you have to divide again by 3, then you get 81. Then 81 divided by 3, you get 27. 3 9 3 3 3 1. See here, 3 is in pair but 2 is single. So which number you have to multiply? You have to multiply by 2. Means 1458 into 2, then you can get perfect square number. Okay, understand? So this way you have solved question number 5. Question number 5, in question number 5 you have to solve question 2nd, 3rd and 6th. Okay, it's your homework. Now in question number 6, something different. For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the. Okay, and in our first question we have to find the perfect square नंबर ऑल्सो. मतलब जो हमारे पास परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर आया है उसका फिर से हमें क्या करना है? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करना है. इफ़ वी इफ इट आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 252, देन वी कैन गेट, हमने इस टाइप से किया था. ओके, दैट इज 21 3 7 and 7/1. ओके, सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. ओके, हमने बोला था 252 को हमें 7 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 इंटू 252 में हम जब 7 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा बच्चों? हमारा आंसर आएगा 1764. और 1764 का जब आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे तो वो आएगा 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 7 इंटू 7. ओके, तो ये आपको यहाँ तक पूरा सॉल्व करके लिखना है. सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 टू गेट अ प्राइम perfect square number. Okay, understand? Now in question number 6, we have to find the number, smallest number which we have divided, then we get a perfect square number. See here also it's 252. If we talk about 252, so अभी हमने निकाला था 252 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, वही रखेंगे हम, बट इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास में डिफरेंस क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? हमारे पास डिफरेंस हो जाएगा, हमें उसे डिवाइड करना है. अब हमारे पास नंबर आ गया 2 इंटू 2, 3 इंटू 3, एक्स्ट्रा हमें दिख रहा है 7. 2 पेयर में है, 3 भी पेयर में है, 7 हमारे पास सिंगल है. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड 252 बाय 7. इफ़ यू डिवाइड 252 to 7, so you can get perfect square number. So let's divide, means हम उसके जो पर हमारे पर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है उसमें भी हम डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 7 से 7 कट जाएगा. जब हम 7 से कट करेंगे तो यहाँ हमें क्या मिलेगा? 36. 7 3 ज़ा 21 एंड कितना बचा? 4. ओके, यहाँ भी देखिए 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 3 ज़ा 12, 12 3 ज़ा. ओके, so our answer is 36. Okay, now let's take another number, that is 26 or 2925. Okay, let's take 2925. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वंस का प्लेस क्या है बेटा? 5. इफ़ सो यहाँ 2 से डिवीज़न नहीं होगा, सो वी कैन ट्राई इट बाय 3. 3 9 ज़ा 27, 2 बचा, 3 7 ज़ा 21 एंड 3 5 ज़ा 15. नाउ अगेन वी कैन डिवाइड इट बाय 3. 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 5 ज़ा 15. नाउ 5 6 ज़ा 30 and 5 5s are 25. Again 5, it's 13. Then we have to divide 13. So we can get 1. So our prime factors is 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 13. Here 13 is single. So we have to divide, if we divide it by 13, so we can get perfect square number. So what is our number? 5 5s are 25 and 25 6s are, that is your answer 125. Okay, 5 5 are 25 and 25 6 are 25 6 कितना होता है बच्चों? 25 6 is 225. Okay, so your answer is 225. Understand? See here, 25 into, we get 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So 5 5s are 25, 25 into 9, 225. Okay, 25 6 are 25 9s is 225. Okay, understand? Okay student, now next question, our next one is we can get 2925. We already covered, and let's take one more example, that is 2645. Okay, or 2800. 2800 1 4. Okay, 7. Now again 2 3s are 6. Then 1 carry out हुआ, 2 5s are 10. 0 again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 175. 3 से डिवाइड करके देखते हैं. 3 से होगा क्या? 3 5s are 15. 2 बचेगा. 25 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, तो हमें किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 5. ओके, 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Okay, then again 5 7s are and 7 1s are 7. Here 5 is in a pair. Okay, 5 is in pair. Okay, 2 is also pair, and here 2 we, which number is remaining? 7. 7 is remaining, so you have to divide. If you have to divide by 7, so you can get a perfect square number. Okay, so if we divide by 7, we can get which number? See here, our number is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. So we can get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. ओके, 8 टू ज़ा, हमारे पास में कितने नंबर आ गए बच्चों? यहाँ पर हमारे पास आ गए 2 टू ज़ा 4, 4 टू ज़ा 8, 8 टू ज़ा 16 एंड 25 इंटू 16, 25 इंटू 16, you can get 400. Okay, or you know 400 is square root of 400 is 20. Okay, so your answer is 400. Okay, so this type you have to solve question number 6. Okay, question number 6 में आपका third, fourth and sixth one is your homework. Okay student, now let's see question number 7. The student of class 8 of a school denoted rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donate as many rupees as the number of student in the class. Find the number of student in the class. So you don't know what is the number of student. Okay, so let's take the number of student will be x. If the number of student will be x, so according to question it's given जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं क्लास में उतने ही वो पैसे डोनेट कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इज एक्स. इफ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट is x. If number of student is x, then total amount donated by the class is, so each student donate x. Okay, so total amount of amount by the class x into x. Okay, मतलब x स्टूडेंट हैं, x स्टूडेंट x हर एक स्टूडेंट क्या कितना डोनेट कर रहा है? x डोनेट कर रहा है, x रुपीज़. सो x इंटू एक्स डेट इज एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, इफ अब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन the student of class 8 of the school donated rupees 2401. Student donated 2401 means x square is equal to 2401. Then you have to find root of x square. Okay, means you have to find x. So which is the method? 2401 का आपको क्या करना है? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालना है. let's do. So what is your number? 2401. you have to divide it by 2. 2 से डिवाइड होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. 7 3 से होगा? नहीं होगा क्योंकि 2 4 + 2 6, 6 + 1 7. सो लेट्स डिवाइड इट बाय 7. 5 से भी नहीं जाएगा क्योंकि 5 के टेबल में ओनली 5 और 0 आता है. ओके, सो इट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 7. 7 3s are 21. So your answer is 343. Now again you have to divide by 7. 7 7s are 7 4s are 28 and 7 9s are 63. Again divided by 7. So you can get a pair of number 7. Okay, means 7 into 7. So how many students in the class? Class having 49 students and each student denoted rupees 49. Okay, understand? Now question number 8. Let's see question number 8. 2025 plant are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contain as many plant as the number of row. Okay, so what we can do, we have to Read carefully the question. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. Okay, find the number of rows and the number of plant in each row. So if we want to find the number of rows, so first of all let the number of row will be x. Okay, if the number of row will be x, then number of plant in a row will be x. ओके जितनी भी रो है उतने प्लांट्स हमने प्लांट करे हैं. सो our equation again x square. Okay, x into x square. So the number of plant to be planted means x into x, that is x square, and it will be given x square is equal to 2025. Okay, so you have to find root x square means root 2025. Okay, so let's find. 2 से नहीं जाएगा, 3 से जाता है. क्या देखते हैं? 3 6 ज़ा 18, कितना बचा? 2. 3 7 ज़ा 3 5 ज़ा अगेन 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 5 ज़ा 15. now again it's 75, 25, and 25 will be divided by 5, so you can get this is pair. Okay, 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So your answer is 45. Okay, understand? So what is your answer? Thus the required number of row is 45. Also number of plant in the row is 45. Okay, understand? Now question number 9 is find the smallest square number that is divided by each of the following number 4, 9 and 10. Okay, find the smallest square number that is divided by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. So we know that LCM in the smallest divisible by all the numbers 4, 9 and 10, all its factor. ओके, सो अगर हम LCM निकालते हैं तो हम पता कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द LCM ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो लेट्स टेक LCM 4, 9, 10. So you can get 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so here 2 is in a group, 3 is also in a group, but 5 is single. If 5 is single, so you have to multiply by 5. Okay, so आपको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? यहाँ पर हमें क्या मिला? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 9, 9 4 ज़ा 36, 36 5 ज़ा 36 5 ज़ा 180. ओके, सो यू रिक्वायर नंबर इज़ 5. अब हमें क्या रिक्वायर है? अगर हमें सिर्फ होल परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना है, देखो 36 into 5 यू कैन गेट इट 180. बट अगर हमें इसे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना है तो हमें इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, एक 5 और लाना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 देन इट बिकम अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो हमारा 2 भी पेयर में हो जाएगा, 3 भी पेयर में हो जाएगा और 5 भी पेयर में हो जाएगा. ओके, सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. Okay, so you can get 900. Your answer is 900. Okay, all the prime factor of 900 are paired. 900 is a perfect square. Thus the required number is 900. Okay, now next question is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 8, 15 and 20. ये क्वेश्चन भी सेम है जैसा हमने 9th क्वेश्चन किया था, वैसे ही आपको 10th क्वेश्चन करना है. ओके, सो do it by yourself. If you have any doubt, tell me. Okay, have a good